Come take a tour of my complete mandala journal coaster collection. Every single piece you are about to see is the result of patience, loving craftsmanship, designed to bring a little bit of intricate beauty into your world. This video is full look at everything I have created from custom journal to matching coaster set. You will get a feel of my artistic style and see the quality I pour into every commission piece. The collection has it all. My earliest design, some fun holiday inspired pieces, and a bunch of recent orders from clients. Stick around and I will even give you a sneak peek into the super satisfying process behind it all. So let's start where it all began. My handmade mandala journals. I like to think of them as more than just notebook. They are personal sanctuary, even when a little one of a kind hand drawn design. I have got a few sizes to fit whatever you need, whether it is a big journal for daily thoughts or smaller one for quick notes and sketches. And the best part, any design can be tweaked to be exactly what you want, whether you love a clean, simple pattern or a super detailed, complex mandala. Each cover is made with premium quality acrylic paints and mediums so that the art stays vibrant for years to come. The paper inside is always picked for its smooth texture because writing should feel good. This often ends up as thoughtful gifts, personal diary, or unique sketchbooks. My goal is to make something that not just beautiful to look at but genuinely inspiring to use. It's a great way for you to see how I can adapt to different ideas while keeping my signature style, giving everything a cohesive, recognizable feel. Now let's move from decks to the coffee table with this functional art piece, my mandala coaster set. This is where we turn a simple household item into a tiny canvas. In a set, each coaster is designed to work together as a harmonious whole, but they are also detailed enough to stand on their own. Creating coordinate set is one of my favorite things to do, and they are really popular for home decor and custom gift. You will see sets with bold punchy colors, others with more subtle monochrome palette, just like the journals. They are custom made. So I can match the complexity and color scheme to your home decor or your personal taste. To make sure they last, they are sealed with durable heat resistance finish to protect the artwork. Seeing them in a real setting help you imagine how they might fit into your own space. People often ask if I can apply my style to different products, and I think these sets are clear confidently yes. So how does one of this creation actually come to life? For me, the whole process is a kind of meditation. It takes focus, patience, and a very steady hand. It always starts with a blank surface and a simple pencil sketch. That's where the bone of mandala are born and where I map out all the intricate patterns that will follow. Once the framework is done, I get to start thinking. Honestly, this is the most satisfying part where the design really stands to pop. Using fine tip paint, I carefully trace every pattern, building up layer of detail and texture. Final step is adding any finished touch to the coaster, sealing the work to protect it. The pic behind the curtain isn't just about showing you the step, it's about sharing the care and passion that I put in every single piece. My portfolio is always growing and evolving with every new commission and creative idea. It includes journal of all size, functional art like coasters and even custom theme sets for special occasion like Christmas inspired combo. Each piece I make is a little collaboration between my artistic vision and what the client is dreaming of. My work is all about clean lines, intricate detail, and commitment to the quality you can both see and feel. Thank you so much taking this little tour of my mandala creation. I hope you enjoyed the look of my art. If you are dreaming for a custom made mandala journal or a coaster set for yourself or as a gift, you can find all the details in the description below down there. You will also find a link to my step by step course on how to create your own handmade journals or coasters. So let's create something beautiful together. Have a nice day. Keep creating. Bye for now.